there, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com showing you the SPC009 Barnwood. This is a really pretty floor. It's got some fantastic detail. I wanted to go over it with you and see what you think about it. So it's mainly this golden tan color. It's very consistent from plank to plank. But what's not consistent is the amazing character. I'll get some close-ups on that in just a moment. And as we're getting towards the door, the light is kind of shining on it in a way to make it a little bit hard to see, but it does show some of that texture that's there. And starting off here, some of these character details are just amazing. I mean, that just looks so real, like a chip is out of the wood. And the saw marks, very good. It has just a hint of gray in this, so it makes it a really nice floor for those that have some gray in their home, which is very popular right now, but yet they don't really want to go with a gray floor. This is a great way to warm up that environment. Some more close-up on this detail. And also here's where I can show you where it's got that painted bevel edge. That's kind of an enhanced feature that makes each plank have more detail. Here's some more really good character on this one. I really like this part. And another close-up of basically, I guess this rustic look is also got some old rotted out sections. It makes it look so real. Here's another character detail, really nice. So I'm going to stand back and show this so you can see a little bit more of it and go on through and just show this to you right here. I hope this helps you determine if you like this one or not. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you'd like to see any other design videos. And look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.